LPG camping cylinders are great for LPG stoves, portable barbecues, camping fridges, lighting and heating. They come in 2, 3 and 4 kilo sizes and are compact and refillable. Gasmate camping cylinders have a 3/8 of an inch VSP valve, which is more commonly known as a companion valve. Camping cylinders can be used with a high pressure stove or a lantern, which come with their own supplied hose. These have a Schrader safety valve for safe gas flow. These cylinders can be also used with a portable barbecue by purchasing a camping LPG regulator like this one. This will regulate the gas flow to be low pressure, so standard barbecues can be run off these cylinders. To keep you safe while using your LPG camping cylinder, here's a few tips. First up, check your gas cylinder for any rust marks or defects. Check the expiry date on your gas cylinder. This is imprinted on the side of the handle. This shows the last test date. Your bottle is certified for 10 years past this date. If it is past the expiry date, or if you see any defects, do not use it. You need to get your bottle retested. Make sure you check your gas hose for any defects such as kinks or degrading of the hose. Do not use the hose if it is degraded or has any defects on it. And check the inside of each end of the hose for any insects or debris. When connecting your gas cylinder to your appliance, make sure that the appliance is turned off completely. Attach the hose and or regulator to the cylinder and tighten. Now slowly turn on the gas. You'll hear a small hissing sound for a second. That's just the gas filling the hose. If the hissing continues, it's a substantial leak. Turn off your gas cylinder and disconnect the hose and or regulator. Check for debris in the connection and clean if needed. Reattach the fitting and tighten your connections and slowly turn the gas back on. If you can still hear gas leaking, turn the gas off at the bottle and seek professional assistance. If there is no noise but you can still smell gas, you can go ahead and test for any gas leaks by using a soapy water solution and spraying your gas connections. Never use a flame to detect your gas leaks. If you have bubbles forming at any of your gas connections, turn off the gas and tighten the connections. Then repeat the leak test with the soapy water. If you still have bubbles forming, turn off the gas and consult your nearest retailer. If in doubt, don't use it. Here's some points to note. Remember, always use the right fitting for your gas cylinder. If you smell gas, then stop using your appliance immediately to check for a leak. When storing your cylinder, ensure the valves are off. Store it upright in a well-ventilated outdoor area and keep it out of direct sunlight. Don't store your gas bottle below ground level and keep it away from flammable liquids and aerosols. When transporting your gas cylinder, make sure it's upright and firmly secured. Remove any hose, fittings or regulators and reattach the red seal plug. Never leave a gas cylinder in a car unnecessarily. If you are transporting a cylinder in your car boot, make sure you lower a window in case of a gas leak. Remember, safety first. Just follow these simple safety tips and you're ready to enjoy the great outdoors.